This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss Mahindra versus Mazda, a surprising new frontrunner. Catch You Ask We Answer, Golf GTI 7.5 versus 8.5 TFSI. Power or tech? Let's settle it. In All Things Motoring, Ernest does a retro review on the Honda Prelude, pop-up headlights and 80s tech magic. Castrol, Ford and BP join forces for 2025 South African Rally Raid Championship. Chery launches LEPAS brand with L8 luxury SUV, ushering in a new premium era. Maserati focus on Grecali. The new range expands to meet every customer's desires. Himmler brand unveiled at the 2025 Shanghai Auto Show, redefining the global bakkie segment. 7-time world champion to drive special Volkswagen Polo at Shanghai Hillclimb. Read Colin Wendell's article, Shanghai Continues to Surprise. As Chinese brands advance their electrification and innovation agendas, 2025 is poised to reshape the automotive landscape both in South Africa and beyond. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below.
All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.